अगर आज मुझे यूट्यूब करियर स्टार्ट करना होता तो मैं यही प्रोडक्ट लेके यहाँ पे बैठती और मैं बस वीडियो बनाती। एक सीक्रेट बोलूं, these products actually work much better than high-end products. Even if I cannot bake in the microwave, I can bake my face really well, and I do prefer baking on my face. आज के वीडियो में हम जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने वाले हैं सब अंडर 500 रुपीज होने वाला है। कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स तो अंडर 100 रुपीज भी होने वाला है, जिसके साथ आज मैंने खेला है टू क्रिएट दिस पर्टिकुलर लुक विच यू आर सीइंग ऑन माय फेस टुडे। आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू शो यू द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ these budget friendly makeup products on my face. So if you are as well, then please continue watching. Obviously I'm going to start off with a primer. Now I have very oily skin, so I have a lot of open pores over here. I need to blur them with a silicone based primer, and for that I'm going to use the Color Essence Pre Makeup Base. Very cost effective, and Color Essence is such an underrated brand. I love how it feels on my skin, and I don't apply it all across my face because I want my face to look a little glowy, especially in this winter time. Make sure you are just concentrating on the areas where you have open pores only. So I'm just gonna use it on my T-zone, a little bit on the smile line, and I'm good to go. If you haven't tried Swiss Beauty's Primer Mousse Foundation, you gotta try it. Now they have very limited shade range, which I don't like, but I'm in the shade Natural Nude 04. I would have appreciated if the shade was a little bit more warm. If you want the maximum coverage and the natural look, you can just use it with your fingertips, just like I'm doing. The coverage is quite good, I would say, according to the price it comes with. Feels very lightweight on the skin. If you don't like the feel of a foundation, you should definitely use it. I also want to take a moment to talk about this Myglam's HD Pose Foundation Stick, and it's a really small foundation. It will go for like maximum 60 days if you are using it on a day-to-day basis. Slightly orange. I'm just gonna blend it on the other side of my face, and you will see how easily it gets blended. You can blend it with the finger, but to blend this foundation I'm going to use a brush. Blend this foundation into my skin. It is a medium to full coverage foundation, so I'm not gonna swipe it away. In this foundation I'm in the shade Warm Beige, and it's an amazing foundation, I can tell you that. It's very long lasting. It does not oxidize at all. It is a medium to full coverage buildable foundation. Under budget, it's one of the best foundation you can come across, and it's very easy to use, and it's very easy to carry as well. If you are carrying somewhere, you don't want to carry that big bottle of foundation, I think this one comes in handy. I'm just gonna blend this foundation all over again so that there is no harsh lines present, just to look a little cohesive for this video, you know. Next I have this Insights Cheek Tint Blush. अगर आपने ये नहीं यूज किया है, you are really missing out. It's so inexpensive, and ये आप ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप ब्रश पे लेके भी अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर सकते हो, but without any hassle. बहुत ही effortlessly blend हो जाता है. आप देख सकते हो, it has so many different colors as well. मुझे तो लगा था कि ये पैची दिखेगा, अच्छे से blend नहीं होगा, but trust me, it gets blended so easily. You can actually blend it with your fingers as well, but I just like to use a brush for it. It's not the generic pink, it's a little orange. Can you see that? It gives that beautiful glow from within, and it stays for a very long time if you set it nicely. I'm also going to talk about Earth Rhythm's Lip Cheek Tint. They have different types of tint. This is one of my favorite tint. Once again, it provides so beautiful glow. ये भी ट्यूब फॉर्म में ही आता है, एक 2 फुट एप्लीकेटर के साथ, बिल्कुल सिमिलर एप्लीकेटर है. दिस वन इज स्लाइटली पिंक, एंड ये उतना ज्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा यूज करना पड़ता है इसके साथ. पहली बार जब मैंने यूज किया था ऐसा कि ये कलर गया कहाँ. Provides that natural youthful glow and flush of color. This one is a lot of color. This one is a little tamed down. Both of them provides so beautiful glow, and the shade range they have is quite commendable, I would say. I think इस पे 4 shades available है, और Insight पे 5 shades available है, if I'm not wrong. Insight बहुत ही ज्यादा cheap है, and Earth Rhythm mid budget है, but दोनों का ही performance बहुत अच्छा है. तो अगर आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा pigmented blush पसंद नहीं है, I think Earth Rhythm will be the one for you. And if you want that pop of color, and if you have blush blindness, which I have also, I think Insight will be the one for you. Now I'm going to talk about concealer, and for concealer I have my Bellura Paris Magic Under Eye Concealer with color corrector. I am in the shade 04 Beige. Once again, whatever beige is there in the market, I just get for me because I fall in the category beige. I am from NC42, and mostly caramel or beige मुझे बहुत ही सूट करता है. It just cancels out any darkness that I have. अगर मैं हंस रही हूँ ना, तो smile lines and wrinkles थोड़ा सा तो दिखते हैं, but I just drag it down towards my nose, and I just blend it. You will see in real time how beautifully it blends, and it gives you a very medium coverage, not full coverage by the way. Build up कर सकते हो, आप 2 times use कर सकते हो, but अगर 2 times use करोगे ना तो बहुत ज्यादा केकी हो जाता है, वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. If you have visible dark circle, I think you should go with peach corrector or orange corrector before going in with a concealer. बहुत ही ज्यादा hydrating है. I have oily skin, so I don't prefer oily concealer at all. I just need a concealer which sets in place and gives the coverage which I want. I also prefer to use a little bit near my mouth because I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation over here, and just just to hide that smile line, and very lightly I like to blend it over here. Next, I also have this My Glam Super Serum Concealer, and this shade match is kind of like top notch for me. I love the undertone of this particular concealer. I just like to use a little bit on the same area. It is actually infused with serum, so it's very hydrating concealer. It's not drying or it's not mattifying. A little bit of glow is there, but it's not oily or greasy. It feels like very comfortable underneath your eyes. I like this type of concealer a lot. I like concealers which are hydrating and does not emphasize my skin's texture. See how seamlessly it gets blended. Both of these don't emphasize your skin's texture any which ways, but both of these feel supremely comfortable underneath eyes and very long lasting. These two concealers underneath eyes don't even crease if you're not setting it with a powder, which is not the case for today because I'm going to recommend you some powder later on. Next, I have this Inside Spot Highlighter. It's one of the best highlighter. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा chunkiness हो सकता है इसका, but trust me, once you blend it, there is no going back. I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna blend it with a brush. It does not give you glow from within. It will show through. It's there. You can use it in both ways. Picking up with the finger, picking up with a brush. Now let's talk about a powder I have been loving and how. And I'm talking about this Pond's Natural Glow Powder. This is the pink powder. I also have the yellow powder, but I love the pink powder. I love it for baking, especially not setting. I just like to take a little bit of it and I like to bake my under eye with it, mostly under eye because I have oily skin, as I have said. In winter time, I don't really vigorously go with a powder as I go with it during समर because summer time is crazy dude. During summer time मैं तो यहाँ पे सब जगह पे बेक कर लेती हूँ, अपने थोड़े forehead पे भी बेक कर लेती हूँ. Once I dust off the excess, you will see how instantly it brightens up my under eye. Next, we're gonna move to eyebrow, and I have been loving this Swiss Beauty's eyebrow pencil. This is my go-to pencil. I have been using it on and off camera all the time. It does not come with a sharpener, but it is a basic pencil, just as basic as it is. It's not like the Benefit Precise Brow Pencil, I understand. I have a little bit of sparse areas here and there. The sharper the pencil is, the more hair-like strokes you will be able to draw. Even if you are not doing anything, you should definitely invest in an eyebrow product because it enhances your facial feature. Everyone's eyebrow is different. Everyone's eyes, nose, everything is different, but this is the feature that enhances. You can see in real time how it looks very different from each other. It looks very put together, whereas this one is like something is missing. Let's move on to eyeshadow, shall we? I have two different palettes which I'm going to talk about today. One is the Popzu Scent Nudes palette. It's a very beautiful palette, and if you're not into makeup, you don't want that extravagant red, green, purple in your collection, this is the basic colors that you can make multiple looks out of it. For blush, highlighter, you just get like all in one palette. Also similarly, I would like to talk about this Dual Passport palette from Swiss Beauty. It is also a face and eyes palette. They have a lot of versatile shades once again for daily purpose. Also, you can make like really extravagant wedding look with this particular palette. For today's video, I'm going to be using this palette, even though I have made a separate short a while back in 2024 with this particular palette, but I'm just going to show you the performance of this particular palette. I'm just going to use it on my outer V. I'm going to soften it with the same color. I'm not going to use a lot of color. You can see it blends so seamlessly. I'm going to take a synthetic flat top brush and I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply it on my inner corner. Also going to drag it on my inner 1/3 of my eyelid. I'm also going to drag it down a little bit on my lower lash line. It has that beautiful champagne and pink shift which looks so pretty. We have another variant of this as well, but this one is the deeper variant. This is the shade 02 Dinner Date. We are into eyes, so I'm definitely going to talk about kajal, and this is the Blue Heavens kajal. This is in the shade green. It's not going to suit today's look. I really want to show you the performance of this particular kajal today, so I'm just going to go. It is just one swipe kajal. Trust me, once again, it can beat a lot of high-end kajal. If you see your kajal smudges a lot on your waterline, this one will be the one for you in affordable budget. If your kajal smudges a lot underneath your eyes, you need to try it. And the best part that it also comes with a built-in sharpener. Budget-friendly mascara which works really well. ढूंढना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. I love this extreme length mascara by Blue Heaven once again. You can see it has that beautiful hourglass shape wand which really coats your lashes and gives that length. It's not a volumizing mascara, guys. This is after 2 full coats, up and down both. I'm not gonna say that it is the most beautiful mascara out there, but it is very decent under a budget and gives that moderate amount of length. I'm gonna finish off my base makeup with this infamous Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Just gonna take a very little amount and I'm just gonna go on my high perimeters, just wherever I have applied the cream highlighter, just to enhance a little bit. You just need tiniest bit of it. मतलब ये खत्म ही नहीं होता है. मैं कब से कोशिश कर रही हूँ ये जो फ्लावर एम्बॉसिंग है ना वो फ्लैट हो जाए, बट हो ही नहीं रहा है. अब लाइक ये हो क्या रहा है? एक बार खरीद लो, पूरी जिंदगी आपको इसके साथ बिताना पड़ेगा. लाइक फुल लाइफ कमिटमेंट आपको देना पड़ेगा. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ये वाला लिपस्टिक बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. दिस इज फ्रॉम गश ब्यूटी लिक्विड लिप कलर. आई ओनली हैव वन शेड. ये वाला शेड इस लुक के साथ नहीं जाने वाला है, बट आई एम गोना रिकमेंड यू दिस रिगार्डलेस. इन वन गो यू विल सी द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक. इट्स अ मैट लिपस्टिक. ऑलराइट, लिप का टेक्सचर बिल्कुल भी एम्फसाइज नहीं करता है. मैटेस्ट मैट लिपस्टिक है. इफ यू आर इनटू मैट लिपस्टिक्स यू नीड टू ट्राई दिस आउट. ये नया कलेक्शन है, मुझे दिसंबर में ही मिला था एंड एवर सिंस देन आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग इट नॉन स्टॉप. पिंक लिपस्टिक्स मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है बाय द वे. इस मेकअप लुक के साथ ऑफ कोर्स नहीं जा रहा है, सो आई एम गोना रिकमेंड यू अनदर लिपस्टिक एज वेल. आल्सो लव दिस मैट इंक बाय इनसाइड. इट्स लिटरली फॉर 90 रुपीज गाइज. अगर आपने कभी भी ट्राई नहीं किया है, क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया है, यू शुड ट्राई. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट, जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. ये बिल्कुल सिमिलर दिखता है. ऐसे 3-4 वेरिएंट्स है. वो वेरिएंट्स ना काफी ज्यादा ड्राइंग है. लिप्स के साथ लिप्स को टच करते हो तो बहुत ही ज्यादा पैची हो जाता है. आई थिंक यू डोंट वांट दैट, राइट? कोई भी कलर में ले लो, लेकिन यही वेरिएंट लेना. अगर मैं लिपस्टिक का ही सिर्फ रिकमेंडेशन देने बैठ जाऊँ ना, इट विल बी अ नेवर एंडिंग वीडियो. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ पर्टिकुलर लिपस्टिक वीडियो फॉर यू गाइज बिफोर दिस वीडियो. आई थिंक 2 वीडियो पहले आपने देखा होगा, जहाँ पे मैंने 22 लिपस्टिक स्वॉच किया है ऑन माई बेयर स्किन. वहां पे मैंने और कुछ नहीं लगाया है ऑन माई फेस, जस्ट अ टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन. एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू गाइज हाउ द कलर ट्रांसफर्स ऑन माई पिगमेंटेड ब्राउन लिप. वहां पे मैंने अपने काफी सारे फेवरेट लिपस्टिक्स रिकमेंड किया है एंड स्वॉच करके दिखाया भी है आपको. आई विल गिव दैट वीडियो अप ऑन द आई फॉर यू गाइज. इफ यू जस्ट अ बिगिनर, अगर आप यूट्यूब पे करियर शुरू करना चाहते हो, अगर आप अपना मेकअप किट बनाना चाहते हो, आप इस प्रोडक्ट्स पे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. दे परफॉर्म रियली वेल, दे आर बजट फ्रेंडली. एंड आप अपना एक मेकअप किट पहले बना लो. जब यूट्यूब पे आपका मोनेटाइजेशन हो जाएगा तब आप धीरे धीरे उस पैसों से नया प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदोगे. वैसे ही सभी करते हैं, मैंने भी वैसा ही किया है विद टाइम. ऑल द लिंक्स ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. बस एफिलिएट लिंक्स है, मुझे थोड़ा सा कमीशन मिल जाता है अगर आप परचेस करते हो तो. बस थोड़ा कमीशन जमा करके करके उसी पैसों से मैं एक नया प्रोडक्ट खरीदूंगी एंड आपके लिए रिव्यू करूंगी. वैसे ही मैं मनी को ऑल्टर करती हूँ ओवर ऑन यूट्यूब. सो या दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई रियली होप you guys found this video informative and helpful, and if you did, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want such videos even more on my channel. I would love to make budget friendly videos for you guys because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा budget friendly products purchase करती हूँ, trust me. And before skipping to the next video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I will post a new video, you will get notified and you will get to watch it very quickly. Hopefully, I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Take care of yourself. Glamour. I hope you are having an amazing 2025. Bye.